boy. Oh, nice boy, yes. Oh, there comes Rory. Nice. Huh? Are you going to be a nice boy? Oh, I love you too, buddy. Yes, I do. I love you too. Oh, I love you so much. Yes. Oh, Vern's feeling itchy. Nice. Good boys. Good boys. Nice. Good. That's nice.
We both checked. Couldn't find it.
Don't react. Don't react. Good boys. Nice. Oh. Just sit down. Be casual. Nice, Vern. Very nice. Nice. Now watch out, because the doggy bed has been an area of contention previously. So, watch your voice at the high. Everything's going good. Nice, Wally. Good boy. It's okay. I know. You're afraid he's going to eat your face off. It's okay.